Welcome to our Gimbal Stabilizer Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals from Aochuan, the Smart XE and the XPRO. Both gimbals are designed for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who want to capture smooth, professional quality video. We'll be looking at their key features, pricing, and battery life to help you determine which one is the right choice for your filming needs. Let's get started. The Aochuan Smart XE offers essential features such as a focus wheel, zoom slide, and AI face tracking, making it a great option for casual users. In contrast, the Aochuan X Pro elevates the experience with an OLED display, magnetic RGB fill light, and gesture control, providing a more comprehensive toolkit for professional filmmakers. This difference in features could significantly impact your filming capabilities depending on your needs. When it comes to pricing, the Aochuan Smart XE is priced at $64.99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. On the other hand, the Aochuan X Pro comes in at $115.99, reflecting its advanced features and professional-grade capabilities. Depending on your budget and filming requirements, this price difference could be a deciding factor. Battery life is crucial for any filming project. The Aochuan Smart XE boasts a runtime of up to 10 hours, which is quite decent for casual filming. However, the Aochuan X Pro outshines it with a longer battery life of up to 12 hours, ensuring you have more time to capture those perfect shots without worrying about recharging. This could be a significant advantage for longer shoots or outdoor filming. In conclusion, both the Aochuan Smart XE and X Pro offer unique advantages for different types of users. The Smart XE is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly option with essential features, while the X Pro is ideal for professionals seeking advanced capabilities and longer battery life. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like